Are you finding it challenging and time-consuming to deploy your AI agents? Are you spending countless hours tweaking prompts and models, feeling like you're in a never-ending cycle of optimization? I'm Manu, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your AI agents up to 8 times faster. Let's introduce LangWatch AI. Deploy your AI agents 8x faster with LangWatch AI. LangWatch is a quality control and analytics platform for generative AI solutions designed to streamline your entire LLM application lifecycle. We'll be taking a look at how it helps you observe, evaluate, and optimize your LLM performance. If you're ready to ship your AI reliably and significantly accelerate your deployment, then stick around. And most importantly, if you want to see how LangWatch can specifically help you, I encourage you to book a demo. The link is in the description below. Deploying AI agents sounds exciting, but it often comes with big challenges. Large language models, LLMs, are powerful but tricky. They produce unpredictable results, making quality assurance difficult. This uncertainty can lead to errors, inconsistencies, and even significant risks when scaling applications. On top of this, many teams waste countless hours manually tweaking prompts and experimenting with different models, hoping for consistent outcomes. This manual approach creates bottlenecks, slowing down your development and deployment processes dramatically. Shockingly, 90% of generative AI projects never even make it to production, mostly because they lack a structured approach to handle these challenges effectively. But what if you could bypass these issues and deploy your AI agents faster and more reliably? That's exactly what LangWatch helps you achieve, and we'll explore. Let's get started. Now, let's take a look at LangWatch in action and see how these features actually work to streamline your LLM deployment. First, go to LangWatch AI. The link is also available in the description. Click on Start for free. Create your account using your Google account, GitHub, or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can manually enter your email and password, then click Continue. For this demo, I'll connect using my Google account. After logging in, the first step is to create your project. Click on New Project. Enter your project name. For example, I'll use my channel name, like ManuAGI_01. Next, choose your team name. My default team name is ManuAGI, so I'll select that. If you want to create a new team, click Create New Team, enter your team name, and confirm. Then, select your preferred language, such as Python, TypeScript, or any other. I'll choose Python for this project. After that, pick your library or framework. Options include OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, LangChain, DSPy, or others. For my project, I'll use OpenAI. You can also click Next if you want to skip this step. Once done, you'll receive your LangWatch API key for integration. With just a few lines of code, you can integrate LangWatch into your application. For detailed integration guides, Python users, follow this link. TypeScript users, follow this link. For custom REST API, follow this link. On the left side, you'll see all integration checkpoints for monitoring and managing your deployment. That's it. You're now ready to streamline your LLM workflow with LangWatch. Let's create a new Python Assistant app and integrate LangWatch into it. First, I'll go to Google Colab and create a new notebook for my application. To begin, I'll install the necessary dependencies, OpenAI, Gradio, and LangWatch, using this command. Pip install OpenAI Gradio LangWatch. After installing all dependencies, I need to set up my API keys. I'll configure both my OpenAI API key and LangWatch API key. Here's how to add the LangWatch API key. Simply copy it from your LangWatch dashboard and paste it into the appropriate section of your code. Next, I'll import all required libraries for the project. This includes the OpenAI library for AI functionality, Gradio for the user interface, and LangWatch for monitoring. Now, I'll set up the LangWatch trace function to start tracking and monitoring my application's interactions. The next step is to create a custom Gradio theme to give my app a personalized look and feel. After designing the interface, I'll connect my application blocks and launch the app. This will initialize both the AI functionality and the monitoring system. Once my app runs successfully, I'll open the public URL provided by Gradio to access my application. Now you can see my fully functional app with a Gradio user interface, powered by OpenAI's API and monitored by LangWatch for analytics and tracking. Let's test it out. I'll start chatting with my assistant by saying, "Hi," and it replies, "Hello. How can I assist you today?" Now, let's explore LangWatch after successfully integrating it with your app. This is what your dashboard will look like on the LangWatch platform. In the Messages section, you'll find complete records of all user interactions, including inputs, outputs, and detailed traces. For example, you can see our previous test message where I input "Hi" and receive the response "Hello. How can I assist you today?" along with its full trace details. Let's test another query. This time I'll input "Explain about AGI" and press enter. The assistant responds. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It refers to a type of artificial intelligence that is as smart as a human being in virtually all forms of intellectual task. More details. Now, let's check LangWatch again. Here you can see our new interaction. Input: explain about AGI. Output: the full explanation about AGI. Trace details, including timestamps, processing time, SDK versions used, language detection, and other metadata. This dashboard gives you complete visibility into all user interactions. You can access every user's input and corresponding output, detailed trace logs for each conversation, technical details like SDK versions and language processing. In the Analytics section, you'll find valuable metrics including total messages processed, conversation threads created, unique users engaged, performance statistics. This comprehensive monitoring helps you optimize your AI application's performance and user experience. Let's explore another demo app's data on LangWatch to understand its full capabilities. First, in the Analytics section, you can access comprehensive data overviews including total messages processed, conversation threads created, and active user counts. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find top topics, automatically generated categories that summarize trending conversation themes across your user base. Next, examine user sessions to track individual engagement patterns, including session durations and interaction frequency. The LLM metrics section provides critical performance data such as total LLM API calls, cumulative costs, and token consumption breakdowns. Below this, review the data summary for high-level insights into your app's usage patterns over selected time periods. The document's metric shows how many knowledge-based files or reference materials your LLM has accessed during operations. In the dedicated users section, access granular details including messages per user, individual session histories, daily active user counts, threads created per day. The Topics section organizes all conversation data by subject matter, helping you identify popular queries and knowledge gaps. Under LLM metrics, dive deeper into precise call volumes, cost analytics, token usage trends, model-specific performance data. The Evaluations tab is where LangWatch truly shines. This is your command center for AI quality control and security enforcement. The platform's standout feature is its complete governance toolkit, offering pre-built evaluations, ready-to-use checks for immediate deployment, customization, toggle existing evaluations on/off based on your requirements. To enhance safety protocols, use the Add function to implement specialized evaluators like Llama Guard, a policy enforcement model trained for customizable guardrails, content safety tools for inappropriate content detection, jailbreak detectors, preventing prompt engineering exploits. For business policy management leverage, competitor block lists, LLM source verification. RAG-specific evaluations include RAG's faithfulness scoring, response context precision metrics. Quality control modules cover accuracy, relevance, and response consistency checks. For unique needs, LangWatch provides extensive custom evaluation tools, allowing you to build tailored checks using flexible templates and criteria. Every feature is designed to give you complete oversight while maintaining rigorous security standards for your AI application. Let's explore LangWatch's Workflow Studio to build an AI workflow effortlessly. Start by creating your workflow with just one click. You can choose either a blank template or a pre-built simple RAG template. For this demo, I'll select the RAG template and name my workflow ManuAGI. Now, let's examine the complete workflow structure. Entry dataset, your source knowledge base that populates the RAG system. Query generation, the LLM automatically formulates search queries from user inputs. Callbear v2 handles content retrieval with semantic search capabilities. Answer generator, an LLM processes retrieved data to produce final responses. Output, delivers the end result to users. Re-input option, routes matching results back for consistency checks. This forms the core RAG pipeline, but you can enhance it using the Components tab. LLM signature, add model-specific processing. Code blocks, insert custom logic. Chain of thought, enables step-by-step reasoning. The evaluation tools section lets you integrate quality checks like exact match, word-for-word accuracy, LLM answer match, semantic similarity, LLM factual match, truth verification. Customize every element to your needs. Select preferred LLM models. Modify instruction prompts. Configure input-output parameters. Once optimized, publish your workflow for immediate use or save it for future deployments. The platform preserves all versions for easy iteration. In the Messages section, you can access and review all input-output conversations between users and your AI application. On the left side, the Topics section displays automatically categorized top conversation themes, helping you quickly identify trending subjects. Use the powerful filter functionality to search for specific conversations by model used, e.g., GPT-4, Claude, etc. Custom labels/tags. Evaluation criteria, e.g., safety-checked conversations. The table view presents all your conversation data in an organized, sortable format for easy analysis at scale. For deeper investigation into any chat, select the desired conversation. Access its detailed view showing full conversation metrics, trace details, models used, token counts, user identification data, processing timestamps and durations. Switch to the Evaluations tab to examine all quality and safety assessments performed on that specific conversation, including automated evaluation results, compliance checks, custom policy enforcement outcomes. This comprehensive view gives you complete visibility into every aspect of your AI interactions. As you've seen, LangWatch isn't just a monitoring tool. It's a complete platform designed to help you build, deploy, and continuously improve your LLM applications with confidence and speed. It allows you to observe, evaluate, and optimize every part of your LLM pipeline while automating prompt and model optimization using DSPy. You can easily integrate it with your existing tools and infrastructure, and rest easy knowing it meets enterprise-grade security and compliance standards. So why waste time manually tweaking prompts and guessing what works? LangWatch empowers you with a data-driven, automated approach to deploying AI agents up to 8x faster. If you're ready to experience the benefits, head over to the LangWatch website using the link in the description. You can sign up for free and start optimizing today, or book a 15-minute demo to see LangWatch in action tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We're excited to see what you'll build with LangWatch.